Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Welcome back po sa channel ko, Home Cooking with Joyce Alvior. I'm not a chef, but I love to cook and my passion is cooking. So I want to share with you guys my recipes in my room. Hello po sa inyong lahat. And hello po sa inyong lahat. And hello po sa inyong lahat. Welcome back to my channel. Of course, Home Cooking with Joyce Alvior. So maraming salamat po sa lahat po ng mga patuloy na sumusuporta sa YouTube channel ko. And sa mga hindi pa po nagsusubscribe, please do subscribe to my channel, Home Cooking with Joyce Alvior. So, happy Sunday everybody! So pagka Sunday, it's cooking vlog day kasi pagka Monday and Friday, it's my corporate work day, okay? So, maulan na Sunday po for today. And of course, isa na naman pong masarap na chicken recipe ang i-share ko sa inyo. And ito ay ang buffalo chicken wings. So, sa mga hindi pa po nakaka-try, please try my version guys. And paniguradong masarap na naman ito. And sa mga nakatry na po, why not try also my version? Kasi we have different version, we have own version. Pero of course, lahat po ay masarap. May kanya-kanya lang tayong way how to prepare, how to cook every recipe. Okay? So tara guys, samahan niyo ulit ako sa aking journey of cooking and baba na tayo. Okay? So come on guys! Okay guys, so ang mga sangkap natin sa ating buffalo chicken wings ay makikita on the description box below. So of course, papakita ko din sa inyo ang mga ingredients natin. So ito ay ang ating chicken wings. Ayan. So itong chicken wings ko is half kilo. Okay? So ito siya guys. Ayan. Okay, half kilo of chicken wings. So, inano ko na siya guys, hinati-hati ko na yung chicken wings natin into half. Yan, okay? So, make sure na linisin yung mabuti ang yung chicken wings. And, of course, mas maganda kung nahati siya para sa akin, para mas maluto, ma-fry siya well. Okay? And then, of course, meron tayong breading mix. So, option lang naman to, but ako, para mas malasa, maglalagay ako ng breading mix. And then, of course, meron tayong cornstarch. I will use cornstarch instead of flour kasi mas crunchy, crispy ang ating fried chicken, ang ating chicken wings pag gagamit ka ng cornstarch. And then, of course, the egg. So, ang pang-season pa natin, of course, is yung salt and pepper na nandito siya, guys. Okay? Sa aking lagayan. Okay? So, of course, let's marinate first our chicken. Let's put this all together. And, imamarinate natin siya for about an hour. Or, much better if more para sumiksik ang mga spices natin, ang mga seasoning natin sa ating chicken. Okay? Okay, so sa mga first time nagagawa ng buffalo wings, this is your steps guys. So, let's beat 1 egg. Ayan. And then, let's put pepper. And then, ay, sugar yan. Salt. And then, lagyan na rin natin siya ng konting sugar para matamis-tamis. Okay? May tamis. Okay? And then, let's put our wings. And then guys, mas maganda kung use our hands to mix well our chicken. So, meron akong cooking gloves. Kitchen gloves. So, kung wala naman, okay lang, kamayin na lang without this cooking gloves. Okay? Ayan. So, another recipe na naman guys na pwede nyong ihanda sa inyong loved ones, to your family. And then, let's put our breading mix. And cornstarch. So, tansyahin nyo na lang guys. Mapapabahing ako. So, marinate lang natin guys ang ating wings for more than an hour, or much better kung overnight, mas okay, diba? Para mas sumiksik ang lasa sa ating chicken, okay? So, while we marinate our chicken for more than an hour, let's prepare our buffalo sauce, okay? Okay guys, so let's prepare our buffalo sauce. So, ang ating sauce na gagamitin, or ang ating ingredients ay meron tayong oyster sauce, tomato ketchup, tomato sauce, and then meron tayong Spanish paprika, dapat medyo spicy ang ating sauce, and cayenne pepper, and of course ang ating butter, okay? So let's put all together, mix our ingredients. So oyster sauce, simutin natin guys, of course. And then our tomato ketchup. So you can experiment guys kung ano yung sauce na gusto niyo sa ating wings. Okay, may iba't ibang sauce. And then the tomato sauce. And then ang ating Spanish paprika. So, kung sa mga kids, no need to put yung spicy na ingredients. Okay? And then, cayenne pepper. And, mix well. Mix well, mix well, mix well. Okay guys, again, sa mga hindi pa po nagsusubscribe sa YouTube channel ko, please do subscribe guys. Please help my channel grow. And please leave comments. And request ko na rin guys na click mo yung bell button to keep you notified sa mga new videos. Okay? And then, konting pepper. Okay, so painitin natin ang ating pan guys. Let's put butter. Melt lang natin ang ating butter. And then, let's put our sauce guys. And then, mix well ulit. Mix well, mix well. Hindi mawawala sa word ko o sa salita ko ang mix well, okay? Mix well, and then pagka medyo kumulo na siya guys, all done. And next step, let's fry our marinated chicken wings. Okay? Okay guys, so our next step, let's fry our marinated chicken wings. So ito, after more than an hour guys. Okay? So make sure na mainit ang pan at mantika. Okay, so let's put our chicken. Let it fry our chicken for a few minutes until golden brown. See you later. Golden brown na siya guys. Okay. So all done ang first batch. next batch and the last batch. I always love chicken wings, guys. Ito yung part ng manok na favorite ko. And of course, for sure, ito rin yung favorite ng lahat. Okay? Okay, guys. So, next step, let's combine our sauce with our fried chicken wings. Excited na ba kayo to taste? Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Simutin natin. Simutin. Ayan. And then, let's put our crispy chicken wings. Guys. Halo-halo. Halo-halo. And of course, guys, maglalagay ako ng toasted sesame seeds. Wait a minute. Ayan. So, parang style na rin ng Korean. Buffalo chicken wings. Okay, guys. So, all done. Let's put into plate and it's tasting time. Let's put into plate. Guys, so surprise your loved ones with this buffalo chicken wings. Last one. Ayan. Okay. But wait, there's more. Let's garnish again with toasted sesame seeds. All done, guys. So here's our finished product. Okay, so it's sabay-sabay tasting time. Okay, guys, so it's tasting time. Okay, so tikman natin, guys, ha. Unang tikim ko, guys. Ang anghang. Alam niyo naman na hindi ako ganong fan ng manghang, pero iba yung anghang niya. Masarap pa din. Pero kaya ko. And napaka-crispy ng chicken. Sarap to the bone. And yung lasa, guys, ng ating sauce. Nanunuot sa sarap. The combination of oyster sauce, tomato sauce, and tomato ketchup. Plus, habang nangyayari mo, andun yung sesame seeds na iba yung lasa. Sarap. Sarap, guys. Saglit lang. Tatawagan ko na si Vince at kakain na kami. So sana, guys, matry nyo ang aking recipe or ang aking version ng buffalo chicken wings. Not an ordinary recipe of chicken wings, guys. Special. Okay? So, thank you guys for watching. Salamat dahil sinamahan nyo na naman po ako sa another special recipe for today. And magkita-kita ulit tayo guys sa next video ko. And please leave comment kung na-try nyo to guys so that I know kung ano yung naging outcome or result ng niluto nyong buffalo chicken wings. Okay? So, bye for now guys kasi kakain na kami ni Beans and mapapa-more rice na naman kami nito. Wala munang diet. So, see you on my next vlog. I love you all. Bye for now.